Walking road over Tiber, breeze so sweet, gold reflections at our feet. Plaza Navona, painted grin, street gelato on my chin. Trevi wishes in mid-air, coins and secrets everywhere. Spanish steps, we climb and go. Breathing fast but taking it slow. Walking BUBU, love aroma, hey. Happy walking all day long. Every corner sings Benvenuta. We turn footsteps into song. Walking BUBU, love aroma, free as air. We roam, we roam. Every laugh a little hallelujah. Walking BUBU, walking road. Victor Bridge, the statue stare. We just dance right under there. Oh yeah, Pantheon sky, a velvet dome. How can pavement feel like home? Walking BUBU, hey, love aroma, hey. Happy walking all day long. Every corner sings Benvenuta. We turn footsteps into song. Walking BUBU, love aroma, breeze air. We roam, we roam. Every laugh a little hallelujah. Walking BUBU, walking road.
Walking BUBU, crosswalk, crooked stones all cracked. Tiny car almost kisses my backpack. No thoughts, just vibes. Backpack sliding down my arm. No plans today, phone on later. Maps app open, but I'll ask her way instead. Rome? Yeah, I get it now. Just walking, and somehow everything looks unreal. Like, why is every building pretty? You approve this, okay, but gelato, I love it here. Walking slower on purpose, romanticizing everything around me. Tourists sprinting, I keep drifting. Window shopping, someone's laundry line. Grandma yelling, pigeon judging. Fountain spilling out my star sign. Corner cafe, order badly, they still smile. Spill a joke in broken phrases, they correct me, I don't mind. Rome? Yeah, I get it now. Just walking, and somehow everything looks unreal. Like, why is every building pretty? You approve this, okay, but gelato, I love it here. Walking slower on purpose, romanticizing everything running. Didn't do much today, benches, sun, and little streets, but also did everything. My brain feels light, my feet feel clean. Oh, you're kinda insane. Turn my scroll into a scene. Didn't do much today, but somehow I'm in every room. Yeah, I get it now. Just walking, and somehow everything looks unreal. Like, why is every building pretty? Who approved this? Okay, but gelato.